Mobility is evolving rapidly due to two main drivers: decarbonization and digitalization. Automotive suppliers are fully committed with decarbonization targets, but we consider that they should be met with a technology-neutral approach and efficiency criteria according to the different mobility scenarios. Electrification of the vehicles will strongly support this decarbonization trend, but in the short term and medium term, work on other solutions such as lightweight materials and design, eco-innovations, and more efficient hybrid powertrains and alternative fuels is a clear need and should be targeted as well. Digitalization will support automatic and connected mobility and is promoting the development of new mobility business models. Suppliers have evolved in the past decades and today are technology partners of OEMs. They offer state-of-the-art technology solutions. The whole supply and value chain have to evolve together to succeed both in maintaining the European competitive position and meeting the rapidly evolving consumer demands. The European suppliers are strong players in the global market, and they should maintain their technology and competitive position in the future. Key aspects are a smart European regulation that promotes a progressive transition towards the new technologies, supporting R&D and I investments and the availability of a skilled workforce at all levels as well. Suppliers must define their own strategy to position themselves in the best way to compete. All actors in the value chain are important. Large Tier 1 cannot lose their suppliers network, and SMEs at the lower supply chain levels must remain strong enough and rapidly adapt their products and production to the new needs. New actors are coming in the mobility value chain. Cooperation with large companies or small startups developing new materials or digital solutions is essential to succeed in the future. The European legislators should consider that a smart regulation takes into account not only environmental targets, but also industrial competitiveness and employment as well. Regulations should be technology neutral and support the more efficient solution to achieve the carbon neutral targets, but at the available and sustainable solution, not only a few against the others. The companies must capitalize on the components they sell today, and with these incomes to be able to develop and invest in the technologies of the future. The EU should also support R&D and I programs and availability of a skilled workforce, including reskilling and upskilling of current labor force, to guarantee that the sector employment is not severely affected by the technological evolution with regard to both the product and the way it is manufactured. There is a clear trend towards increasing mobility needs. Decarbonization goals and digital evolution will clearly impact on mobility. In the shorter term, hybridization and more efficient engine and fuels will be main solution for decarbonization, whereas the market of pure electric vehicles will steadily grow, mainly in areas with higher air quality problems and easier access to charging infrastructure. On the other hand, increased connectivity and automation levels will be available in the new models. This trend will continue, and in the long term, new technologies will allow to reach the CO2 emission neutrality and the zero victims safety visions, and at the same time fulfilling the customer expectations.